And our next retail category, jewelry and accessories. And
this award will be handed out by Anya Vysoska from JLL.
And this is the shortlist. On the shortlist we have Bijou, Lilou, Swarovski, and Yes.
Anya, come join us on stage to hand out this award. Welcome. Our stairs are over there. Yep, good. Welcome and thank you for supporting our event and handing out this award.
Okay, good evening. So my pleasure is to inform you that the winner is Yes.
So, Leon, are you going to come up and get it? This one's, yeah. I know you're busy with all your awards. So, come and join us for a photo here. And one more over here for our social media guy. And please say a few words. And feel free to say a few words.
On behalf of JLL, I would like to thank you all so much.
And congratulations and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank you.